In a bright and sunny garden, Fluffy Bear is here to say, hello little kids, today let's learn flower names, hooray! Butterflies are flying high, sunshine warms the day. Come and join Fluffy Bear, let's learn as we play. Here is the rose, red and sweet, a pretty flower, a lovely treat. Smells so good, nose to nose, say it children, this is Rose. Now the sunflower, tall and bright, looks just like the sun's warm light. Yellow petals, round and fun, say sunflower everyone. Look at the tulip, pink and new, purple, yellow, red ones too. Short and cute from tip to tip, let's all say the word tulip. Daisy, daisy, white and gold, a little flower, brave and bold. Round and happy, smiling, crazy, kids say with me, this is Daisy. Daisy, daisy, white and gold, a little flower, brave and bold. Round and happy, smiling, crazy, kids say with me, this is Daisy. Now kids, come back, don't go away, Fluffy Bear has more today. 10 new flowers, bright and true, let's learn every single one with you. Orchid shining purple bright, soft and gentle, pure delight. Elegant petals open wide, say orchid with happy pride. Marigold in orange and gold, petals flutter bright and bold. Round and glowing in the sun, marigold is flower one. Lotus floating on the stream, pink and peaceful like a dream. Blooming softly petal by petal, say lotus calm and gentle. Stacey red and big and white, blooming proudly by Bear's side. Marley flower bold and brisk, say hibiscus nice and quick. Jasmine tiny white as snow, soft and sweet wherever they grow. Pretty petals shining bright, say jasmine, kids pure and white. Violet purple, small and sweet, growing gently by Bear's feet. Softest petals you'll ever meet, say violet, neat, neat, neat. Peony fluffy, pink and round, looks like candy on the ground. Blooming big for all to see, say peony, truthfully. Daffodil, bright yellow shine, dancing gently in a line. Springtime flower, happy thrill, say daffodil, daffodil. Carnation, pink and soft and sweet, a lovely flower, such a treat. Bossy pantas everywhere, say carnation with Fluffy Bear. Bluebell ringing in the breeze, tiny flowers swing with ease. Blue and gentle like a spell, say it children, bluebell. Great job kids, you learned them all, big and tiny, short and tall. Fluffy Bear says see you soon, meet again beneath the moon. Goodbye children, wave and play, see you again another day.